So hello guys, how are you all? I hope you all are very well. Welcome back to my new video guys. Today's content is about how to log out Google account from another phone, alright? So let's quickly start our video. This video is going to be very easy. Once you watch it, you won't need to watch it again. So first, you guys need to open your settings and search for user and accounts. Look, user and accounts has appeared below. Just click on it, it's simple. After clicking, you need to review whichever Gmail account. You need to select that Gmail, okay? After selecting it, you will see the option to remove the account. If you want to remove it, then simply click on remove. After clicking remove your Gmail, well, it will be removed from your phone, so you can remove as many Gmail accounts as you want. I'll show you by removing this Gmail account here. It has come to remove, so look there. Instructions are given here. Remove here. Removing this account will delete all of its messages, contacts, and so here I am clicking on remove account. So look, our ID meaning Gmail has been removed. So guys, if you are liking our video, please like, subscribe and share the channel. Bye for now. See you in the next video.